Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove sweat stains from your clothes. The first thing you want to grab is about 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl or a little cup and a bottle of aspirin. The acid in the aspirin is what's going to break down the sweat stains. 3 aspirin should do it. Put them into a baggie. If you do this on a stressful day, that would be perfect because you get to use a hammer. Smash the aspirin up. It does it pretty quickly until you make like a little dusty, powdery substance. Mix it in with the water. Let's come into here. I've got a toothbrush that I'm mixing this with because a toothbrush is good to help scrub spots and stains on your clothes. White shirts are always the worst when it comes to sweat stains. Scrub that area with the solution that you've made. You may want to let it sit for 10 or 15 minutes like you would any other spot treatment that you're going to use before you wash your clothes. Throw that in the washing machine and wash it as usual. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove sweat stains from your clothes.